what's up? It's me, A from AJ Vlogs, and today I'm going to be doing a I can finally scream and it'll echo because I took my carpet out. So, I did a lot of new things to my room. Like, I put the lights above my bed instead of putting them around my vanity desk. And my vanity desk has completely changed. I used to have, like, a pillowcase on it because it was so kind of damaged. I cleaned it up a little. It's a little better, but also I painted something for my fish tank. I painted a lot of things. I moved this cabinet right there. That cabinet right there. And I moved that. That one used to be on that side, and that one used to be on this side. So now we're good. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you every part of my room. And hopefully this will go well. So the first spot that you see in my room when you walk in is my bed. To match my walls, I put this little bed sheet thing on it. I put this little blanket right here to match my walls. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff that matches my walls that used to not match my walls. So yeah. And then also, I put these little lights up, and they're really hard to put up, so I'm not touching them. Another thing is my curtains. I tied them up, and then I put this on it. I put, like, this little bow thing on it, in which the little bow is the same color as my wall. I took all of my toys off of my shelf, and I drew this little thing that says XO, and those little polka dots are the same color as my wall. Instead of having these, the color that they were before, they were this color. Do you see that blue right there? That blue? Yeah, that's what color they were, and now they are the same color as my wall. Oh, and also, the brush matches my wall. This brush right here. And I changed both desks. This has my other laptop, or it's a tablet, but you can turn it into a laptop, a plant, a desk lamp. Still works. A few little pictures. My mirror, I took down all of my stuffed animals. And I have a fake candle, some scissors, earbuds, piggy bank with some money in it. And then I have this cup that I got for Christmas, and then I put a little bear in it. And then there's a mirror, and then there's an earring holder with no earrings in it. So, yeah. Here's my fish tank area. That little bowl right there, that's the same color as my wall. That was painted. Let me show you my little fishy. Hey, fishy. He's kind of weird. He's weirder on cameras. So yeah, we're gonna get another spin of my room. Well, thank you guys once again for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to make sure I'm really bad at this, to make sure that you never miss a video, and make sure you hit that bell down below. And I love you guys so much. Bye!